Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging and isolating the controller so power and wireless noise won't confuse the fix. Once done, power down the Ps4 or turn off Bluetooth on nearby devices and find the tiny reset button on the rear near L2. Press and hold the reset for 5-10 seconds using a small pin. This clears stuck settings and often restores normal button mapping. After releasing, wait a few seconds so internal circuits discharge before proceeding to pairing. Once reset, plug the controller into the Ps4 with a known good USB cable and press the PS button. You should hear or see pairing confirmation. If pairing still fails, reboot the Ps4 into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database or Update System Software. These steps fix corrupted driver files and compatibility issues. Make sure you use an official or high-quality cable so data lines are intact. After pairing, test in menus to verify analog sticks and buttons respond correctly before gameplay. If buttons or sticks still act up, you move to mechanical fixes. Power down, remove the back cover carefully, and clean around stick bases with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a burst of compressed air to remove debris. This removes contact noise and drift. Once cleaned, reassemble and calibrate sticks via game settings or a PC tool to restore dead zone and center. If problems persist, replacing the analog module or seeking a technician is the final step. And if drift returns, repeat cleaning before assuming full replacement is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.